Hello, I'm in the office of Miss Kathy Griffin, and the name of the center here is, the name of the business here is the Little Hands Learning Center. And Miss Griffin is just going to let you know what she thinks of the products here.
Hi, my name is Kathy Griffin. I'm with Little Hands Learning Center Academy here in the Chicago Beverly area. And I just wanted to say a few things about the Ground Level Incorporated. We just actually started using them and we are extremely pleased. They have a wonderful quality product. Previously, other manufacturers, the quality was not as good. They also didn't fit our cot sheets or our crib mattresses as well as we would have liked. And we just got a call from the Ground Level. We said, hey, why not try it? And we are so glad we did. The customer service is outstanding. They deliver on time and they have a very high quality product at a very competitive price. So I would highly recommend the Ground Level Incorporated.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate your comments. And that's a wrap.
Thank you.
Bye now.